Today I'm going to show you how to build this cue stick holder. I made it out of pallet wood. I disassembled the pallet wood, collected a few pieces, and then decided on a design. So I laid them out flat on my sawhorses, and then I added these pieces that are going to be holding the cue sticks. One of them is standing up, and the other two are for support. So then I measured how wide this thing was, and I went ahead and clamped it down so that I would have an average measurement. Then I went ahead and cut the two pieces at the same length, the one for the top, the holder, and the one at the bottom. Then I sanded them down, but it was a light sanding with 150 grit. I didn't want to remove too much, just enough so that there would be no splinters. After that, I secured the bottom piece plus the outermost piece. I just wanted to secure them in place to be able to pre-drill where the cue stick is gonna be sitting at. So now that I have this thing standing up, I went ahead and measured equal amounts, and I used this 1-inch paddle bit and went in about maybe half an inch. I only did 4 of them. This thing is only going to hold 4 cue sticks. Also, I only wanted to secure the 2 outermost so that the ones in the middle get a little bit of a gap. I didn't really care how much of a gap it would be. So then I just lined them up, and just a rough lining up. I didn't want it to be perfect. I wanted to look rustic. And I screwed them to that one piece. So now I'm marking the holes where the sticks are going to go through. So the base of the stick will sit at the one piece, and then the stick will go through those holes right there. And they have and they line up, as you can tell. So after this, I measured about 5 inches down from the one top piece. I screwed it from the back, and then I cut these triangles to give it a little extra support. Once those pieces were secured, I went ahead and I put one more screw from the top to that triangle. Then I free-handed some stuff. I chose Blessed to give it a little something to stand out. It was a little bland. And then I have this hot iron that you can use to solder with. And then it has some extra tips that you can burn wood. And you can manage to do this. Once all of this was done, I then coated everything with some Danish oil. I let it set about 24 hours, and I give it 1 second coat, and then about 72 hours later I mounted it. So that's the Danish oil, and here is the finished product right there. Right now it only holds 2 sticks, but it can be used for 4. There you go. See you in the next one.